The most popular reverse osmosis system isn't always the best. That's what I learned the hard way. Everyone talks about filtration stages and GPD ratings, but real performance, that's buried under marketing fluff. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the ones that actually work. Product number 1, iSpring RCC7AK Alkaline RO. First up is the iSpring RCC7AK, a 75 GPD 6-stage reverse osmosis system with alkaline remineralization. At around $300, it sits right in the mid-range, and what caught my eye was its NSF 58 full system certification, something not all brands can claim. If you want clean, mineral-balanced water without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The RCC7AK doesn't just strip contaminants, it adds back essential minerals like calcium and magnesium through its AK stage, giving you water with a healthy pH around 8. That means better taste and potential health benefits, especially if you're drinking a lot of RO water daily. It reduces TDS by up to 98%, knocks out PFAS, lead, fluoride, and over 1,000 other contaminants. The transparent first-stage housing lets you actually see when it's time for a change, no guessing. Plus, the patented top-mounted faucet design makes installation way easier, no awkward reaching under the sink with a wrench. With 3,000+ units sold last month, it's clearly a crowd favorite. Now, some people complained about slow water flow due to the 75 GPD membrane. Here's the thing though, that's normal for standard RO systems. It's not meant to fill gallons instantly, but for drinking and cooking, more than enough. Just keep the storage tank topped up. This is perfect for you if you want certified, great-tasting alkaline water with easy DIY install and solid long-term support. Skip this one if you need super fast flow or have very high water usage. For the price and performance, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 2, Waterdrop G3P600 Tankless RO. Now, if the iSpring's 75 GPD flow felt too slow, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Waterdrop G3P600 is a tankless 600 GPD beast, and it's one of the fastest undersink RO systems you can buy. Priced at $550, it's definitely premium, but you're paying for speed, space savings, and smart tech. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio, it wastes far less water than older systems. Only 1 cup wasted for every 2 clean cups produced. That's a big deal if you're eco-conscious or on a well. The 8-stage filtration handles everything from PFAS to heavy metals, and the smart LED faucet shows real-time TDS levels and filter life, no more guessing. It fills an 8 Oz cup in just 8 seconds, which is seriously impressive. Plus, the tankless design saves 70% undersink space, huge if your cabinet is tight. Now, some people complained about the need for an electrical outlet under the sink. Here's the thing though, that's required for the smart faucet and pump. If you don't have power nearby, you'll need an electrician, which adds cost. Also, at over 18 inches long, make sure your cabinet is deep enough. This is perfect for you if you want ultra-fast, high-volume purified water with smart monitoring and don't mind the higher price. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or lack undersink power. It's a luxury upgrade, but for heavy users, it's worth every penny. Product number 3, iSpring RCC7 Standard RO. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-focused buyers. The iSpring RCC7 is the non-alkaline version of the RCC7AK, same brand, same reliability, but lower price at $240. It's a 5-stage, 75 GPD system with NSF certification and that same patented top-mounted faucet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you don't care about added minerals and just want pure, contaminant-free water, this delivers. It removes up to 99% of over 1,000 pollutants, lead, arsenic, fluoride, chlorine, you name it. The transparent housing still lets you monitor filter condition, and it's completely power-free, so no electrical worries. It's compact, leak-resistant, and backed by iSpring's lifetime support from Georgia. Now, some people complained about the lack of remineralization. The water can taste flat. Here's the thing though, that's normal for standard RO. If you're okay with neutral pH water or add minerals yourself, it's not a deal breaker. Plus, you save $60 over the alkaline version. This is perfect for you if you want certified, reliable RO filtration at the lowest possible price. Skip this one if you prefer alkaline or mineral-rich water. For pure function over frills, it's a no-brainer. Product number 4, Waterdrop G5P500A Alkaline RO. Now, if you like the idea of alkaline water but want something faster than the iSpring, this next one blends speed, minerals, and modern design. The Waterdrop G5P500A is a 500 GPD tankless RO system with 8-stage filtration and alkaline remineralization, all for $270. That's a sweet spot between performance and price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It reduces TDS, PFAS, and heavy metals while adding back calcium, magnesium, and potassium, giving you water that's both clean and health supportive. The 2:1 drain ratio is eco-friendly and the flow rate fills a 6 Oz cup in 8 seconds, way faster than traditional systems. The tankless design saves space, and filter changes take just seconds with the twist and lock cartridge. Now, some people complained about needing to drill a hole for the faucet. Here's the thing though, most undersink RO systems require this. It's a one-time hassle and the included template makes it manageable. Just make sure your countertop material allows it. This is perfect for you if you want fast, mineral-rich water in a compact, modern system without paying premium prices. Skip this one if you can't drill into your countertop or prefer no electrical components. For the features, it's one of the best mid-tier options. Product number 5, Waterdrop WD-T3M 9-stage RO. Finally, if you want maximum filtration stages and smart alerts, the Waterdrop WD-T3M delivers with 9 stages of purification, including remineralization. At $256, it's one of the most advanced systems under $300. It's tankless, 450 GPD, and plugs in for LED lighting and auto-flush features. The smart alerts notify you when filters need changing, no more forgetting. The 2:1 drain ratio saves water and the all-in-one cartridge makes replacements effortless. It's NSF 372 certified for lead-free materials, so you're safe from contamination at every step. Now, some people complained about the plug-in requirement and faucet drilling. Here's the thing though, like other smart RO systems, it needs power for the LED and auto-flush. If you can handle those two things, the tech is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want high-tech features, maximum filtration, and mineral-enhanced water on a budget. Skip this one if you hate DIY or lack undersink power. For feature density, it's hard to beat. So which one wins? The iSpring RCC7AK for best overall value with alkaline water. The Waterdrop G3P600 if you need speed and smart tech and don't mind the price. The iSpring RCC7 for budget buyers who just want pure water. The G5P500A for fast, mineral-rich flow under $300. And the WD-T3M if you want max stages and smart alerts.